Hey everyone, it's Silver Seeker, and what we have for you today is a lovely package from our United States Mint Fulfillment Center. As you know, the proof sets, the silver proof sets in that are out, and they come with the nickels, and so I decided to order some, of course, and as you can see, when I received it, it has this received in damaged condition sticker or piece of tape from the US Postal Service. So they put a piece of tape over it, letting me know that when they got it, it was already damaged. So we need to get into this and see what's actually damaged about it. So we're going to go ahead and cut it open, and hopefully everything is inside. So let's be gentle and lift it up off so we don't actually hit the boxes or anything like that. But we would like for this to, not actually be damaged, at least with the coins. We'll go ahead and cut that open. We will go ahead and cut that open. And let's go ahead and open it up and see if what's inside is damaged or if it's just the packaging itself. Alrighty, here we go. So they do have it with a piece of bubble cover, if you will. And as you can see in here, it looks like our invoice is down there at the bottom, so there's going to be a small break here while I get that out. Okay, now that the invoice is removed, you can see inside we have our 2020 United States Mint proof set, and we've got 3 of those. And then we should have the West Point nickels for those, and you can feel them inside the envelopes. So, and then we have our 2020 United States Mint silver proof sets. So we got 3 silver proof sets, and we have 3 mint, our regular proof sets, not mint. Oh, and in the bottom of the box, I almost missed one. We have 1 more of these. So as you guys know, this year they came with the nickels. Last year they did the pennies, where you got the uncirculated one with the mint set, you got the proof one with the proof set, and you got the reverse proof with the silver proof set. This year they're doing the same thing, except for instead of the penny, it's the nickel. And that leads to question, will they do that next year with the dime, and then the year after that, will they have like a proof and a reverse proof quarter that's also W minted? Because as you know, they're putting the W mint ones in circulation, but what about proof and reverse proof? Are we going to be able to get those in proof and reverse proof in a couple of years? I guess we'll find out. Or maybe we already know and I just don't know. But it looks like we have. So we have 3 envelopes here, it looks like, of the regular proof, and then 3 envelopes here of the reverse proof, which is really, really cool. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at those, and we'll go ahead and take each one of the sets out of the box and take a good look at that as well. But the good news is our package was not damaged. Well, the packaging was damaged, but it looks like our sets, for the most part, aren't damaged. There's a little bit of creasing on the corner of this one here. A little bit of bend there, but nothing major. We do have our sets, so very, very exciting. We have our nickels, so let's go ahead and get these taken out and see what we got. And guys, not everyone's going to watch this video to the end, so I will let you know that we will be breaking one of these open on this channel very, very soon, so stay with us if you want to see that. So let's go ahead and open up the 2020 United States Mint silver proof, our regular proof set. In fact, let's get the camera a little bit closer. Okay, so now that we have the camera closer, we're going to take a look at our 2020 United States Mint proof set. We're going to go ahead and slide that out of the box and see what we have here. So we'll gently get it open. And what I love about this is, even though all these quarters circulated aren't out yet, they are all out right now in the proof set. So very, very nice look right here. So you got the National Park, you got the bat there. Everyone's looking for the bat right now. Just absolutely gorgeous with the W and the V75 on it. But all 5 of these are really gorgeous, gorgeous designs, as they are each year. So, I mean, we all know they're all pretty. Here are the front of the quarters. I mean, obviously Washington, they all look the same. And then, of course, we have the 2020 proof half-dollar, dime, penny, nickel, and dollar. Very nice stuff. Taking a look at the reverse. Very gorgeous. And then, of course, we have the 2020 silver proof sets as well. We'll go ahead and open one of those up and take a look at it really quick. So here is the 2020 United States Mint silver proof set, and just like last year, these are all 999 fine silver, which is very exciting. I like that they are pure silver now instead of just 90%. Kind of exciting to me. I like that pureness factor, if you will, that fineness factor. Okay, we'll go ahead and take the silver ones out. And man, I mean, they look really nice in pure silver. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. Like I said, we will be cracking this set apart here on the channel very soon, so stick with us. And then here we go. Take a look there, guys. 2020. Oh man, look at the silver color on that Kennedy, that dime. Gorgeous. And you can see the Jefferson nickel. Obviously, there's no silver in it, but you can, it looks nice as well. But you can really see the difference, especially that cameo background finish on the 2020 Kennedy there. Just looks incredible. And of course, you know, I always like the look of the proof cents. Those are gorgeous. All right, well, let's go ahead and put this one back in the box, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the two W-minted nickels. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this one first. This is the 2020 West Point Special Edition Proof Jefferson nickel. Now they come in these really cool packages, these envelopes. They sent these envelopes last year, and I showed you in the video, but they didn't actually put the coins inside the envelopes. This year, at least the coins were inside. So we're gonna go ahead and slide that out and take a good look at it. So you see we got 2020 W Liberty in God We Trust right there. That is a very, very gorgeous proof West Point minted nickel right there. And then to get its partner out, we have in this one right here, you can see it says 2020 West Point Special Edition Reverse Proof Jefferson Nickel. So we'll go ahead and open this up and take a look at the reverse proof. And holy smokes, guys, that is absolutely insane. Look at the difference of these two. If you look at the difference, looking at how on the proof, the background is mirror, on the reverse proof, the foreground is mirror, and the background has the matte. That is some really cool stuff. So anyway, that's all we have for you today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video and taking a look at these sets with me. They are very, very gorgeous. If you did, do me a favor, make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you enjoyed the video. Now, really quick before you go, over here I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my channel members. Thank you so much for your support of the channel. It means the world to me. Guys, we also have some videos up here you can check out. If you haven't done so yet, click on those. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe before you go.